Hey, Dana here. Hey, welcome to my blog. And this is Hemped Up. And this is my third order. I was using the cinnamon, and it's really, really strong. And I think it was burning my tongue. So, I backed off. I backed off on using that. It tastes like cinnamon, and cinnamon's got its own nutritional properties. But I think it really burned the heck out of my tongue. So, oh, good. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So these are the, it wasn't another, I made another order, but it wasn't the hemp. It was the sample packs. So when you click on the sample link, this is what you're going to order for the $10. You're going to get the sample pack. Awesome. There you go. Wow, those came quick. They didn't come. Okay. So my hemp's in this one, and it might be. I got two of them. So there's your sample pack. You sent me some more. Okay. Awesome. Okay. So with each sample pack, you're going to get a brochure to go along with it. So that'll be good. And while I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and open one up. I'll give you an idea what's in it. You take your life back. Sweet. Okay. Let me get my glasses on. I'm blind. Just opened up the box. Okay. Get 3.6 milliliters of 500 milliliters of 500. That's 500 milligrams of active CBD. I guess it gave me two. And flavor. This one is. Let's see, they both TCB. Looks like they're both CBD free, or THC free. Excuse me. You get a little packet of Relief, and Relief is a tropical pain rub with emu oil. Helps melt tension, helps to relax and smooth muscles, quickly absorbs through the skin. Next one is Revive. And Revive increases longevity of the skin cells, helps reverse the physical signs of aging, prevents free radical damage, and helps to moisten the skin. And the other one is Renew. and that also is an anti-aging cream with apple stem cells rich in epigenetic factors, helps the skin look younger, tighter, and brighter, increases longevity of the skin. So you got two skin cares in that packet too. So go. What else? Okay. It says all hemp. Not all hemp is created equal. Our expert teams, researchers, chemists, and formulators use CO2 extraction with our oils. Our raw material is then dried to remove pathogens, mold, and heavy metals. Kentucky farmers have been pioneering the hemp cultivation and production, farming practices, and new agrotech for generations. We're confident that our customers will always get high quality hemp extracts and when trying our HempWork products, we offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. And that's basically a bottle. So I guess you're just going to return the bottle. Alright. So where we go. That's what you get in a sample pack. Sweet. And if you want one, I'll send you one. And this has got to be the new hump. Yep. Okay. Well, I got some music in the background. Alright, here's the new. And that's natural this time. So I've tried the peppermint. I really like the peppermint. And I've tried the cinnamon. And I think it's too strong for me. But it may not be for you. If you like cinnamon, then go with it. I'm not really crazy about cinnamon, but I wanted to try it. And let's see. HempWorks 500 full spectrum hemp oil, naturally flavored. This is the not naturally flavored, natural flavor. So we will try this. It's about that time too. 6 o'clock, 6:30. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. Okay, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It's gonna have a green, dark green tint to it. I really don't want to really contaminate it. It's still got in anyway. Okay, so. See how this works. It doesn't taste bad. There's no burning sensation. Tastes a little like vegetation. Okay, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. Definitely check out my hemp page, Hemped Up page on Facebook. Go ahead and click on this. Look in the subscription or description down below, and click on the sample link, and go ahead and try it. I really like the results, because it really, basically I like it because of the mood, my mood change. So I go from negative and little things getting to me to I don't care anymore. And my attention span is longer, and I can focus. Things slow down so I can focus. I kind of feel that my life is in time lapse all the time, so it's actually brought me back to normal normal video speed. So, all right, we will catch you on the next Hemped Up.